Hello, I'm Sonia from Presidency School, Nandini Layout, Bangalore. I'm going to explain you how I did my Google Docs advanced project. Come, let's have a look on how I did my project. This is I am supposed to create a learning material for the students. So it was asked that to create the doc with will have 3 pages. So in the first page, I'll have to write the learning objective of the chapter. So I go to my Google Docs. Uh, Go to my Google Docs, and this is already which I have done. I'm going to explain you. So this is what I have done in my Google Doc. The first page consists of all the objectives. You can see computer application objective, and I have also given a page border for that particular page, and then I had given the page color also. I have also used two different boxes where one is about the grade, the other one is the learning objective of the particular topic. And the next one is in the second page I am supposed to insert explain the necessary information. So I had given information, I have given the images, I have given drawings, links, etc. in the second page. So that's what I am going to show you how I did my second page in Google Docs. So again I go to Google Docs, and then first thing is I'll be showing you how to add the images, drawings, and the necessary information. So this is the first page, and coming down to the second page, I'd given the necessary information. So detail about the chapter. This chapter helps you to now this chapter helps you what is the need of the object-oriented programming, oops, and all these things I had given. And here I have inserted pictures, two pictures, and the third one is a drawing which I'm going to insert. So I have also inserted the image is inserted by using insert image, and I have uploaded from the computer. And the third one is a drawing which I have inserted into my Google thing. So already I have drawn this by using the insert drawing. So I've used shape in the drawing and I've inserted that here. So this is how I've inserted even Google drawing into my page. So I here, because I've already done, so I'm just giving save and close. So this is how I've inserted the Google drawing into my page. The next one is I was to create the links. So I've given YouTube links, I've given the Wikipedia links, I'd given some details about the project, details about the topic. So I'll just coming to the next page. I've given the links. So for that I put a box, and then I've given the title also. It's like Blue Jay Wikipedia, Blue Jay intro video. So all these things are available. So these are the hyperlinks that I have inserted into my document. The next one is in the page add some assessment of exercises. I am not going to type any assessment because I am going to bring something from the Google Forms. So what I did is I have just copy pasted the Google form whatever I have already created. So the Google Forms can be clicked. I can just click on the Google Forms, the link that is given below, and then I can directly go to the Google Forms. So what I'm going to do is I'll just show you how to go to the Google Forms. So I've copied pasted the link here from the Google Forms, and I'll have to just click on the link which is shown here. So it will take me to my Google form. So I've already given quiz on Java. So I have all the criteria, check boxes, option button, picture quiz, and short answers and all that. So the student need to answer all this and then send it to my mail ID so that I can correct it easily. The next one what was asked is, so sh share the file with one of your friend, that I'll show you how to share it at the end of this chapter. So in this I have created all the other things. So coming to the main thing is, let us have a look on what all things the criteria features I must have used. Add table of content to show that all your learned in the chapter. So I'll be showing how to add the table of content. So I go to the first page, and in that first page I'm just going to I'll click on the insert tab, and then I go to table of contents. I click on table of contents. So in order to make a table of content I have to give the headings. So each and every page contains a heading. See, computer application, the type is heading 1, the style is heading 1, and you see the second page, the details about the computer chapter, and again it is heading 1. And the third page I'll be having links for learning, and that is also heading 1, and questions for practice also is heading 1. So with this, all the table of content will be proper when I give. So in the table of content, all the headings will become the main table of content. So that's why you would have seen. Next one is adding images, hyperlinks, tables, drawings, etc. So of course in my topic I've added images, I've added hyperlinks, uh, I've added yeah pictures. I've these are the pictures I've added, and then I have also added some drawings. Okay. The next one is, so it goes like this. The next one what I have done is tables. So I've also added a table to my thing, object and classes. So in order to add a table, I just go to insert table. So go to insert, I go to the table. I've inserted 2 rows and columns where you can see that as object, classes, unique entity, group of all this. Next one is using indentation, formatting. So I've used even the indentation. You can just see how I've used. So I'm just selecting just I'll be showing you how I used. Okay, let me just see. Let me use the indentation for the second one and not the first one. So I have increased intent and decreased intent. So let me just show you how to do it for the second one. Creating a PPT. This is how I have used the indenting. So the particular second topic is indented. Next one is the formatting. So I've also used of formatting, the text formatting, the color formatting, and all these things I've done here. So say I have used line spacing, I have used alignments, I have used colors, bold, italic, underline. I have used the text formatting. I can even change the fonts. So this is how I've used all the formatting options available in the Google Docs. I can also change the color. Let me show how I change the color. So this is how I have done the formatting in Google Docs. So the next one is coming to the next one. I'll have to use the page border and the page color. So I have used one single table, only one cell to make a page border, and I have changed the styles of the page border. I have given 3 point for the page border. For the next one is page setup. I go to page setup and I then go there and then change the page color. So this is how I change the page color. So the page color can be changed. Sample I am giving it here. So the page color is also changed. The next one is use explore feature. So in order to use explore feature, I'll just go to tools, explore. So I can explore any topic I wanted. I'm just giving computer programming. So I explore the computer programming there. Just give computer programming. So automatically the details related to computer programming will appear. So this is how I explore, and I can take all the details about that, and I can also copy paste it in my document. The Okay, this is the explore feature. The next feature is about the keep notepad. So I go to tools, keep notepad. So whatever I have created in note keep Google Keep will be appearing there. So I'm going to insert the picture which is related to the topic. So whichever I have drawn. So I'll just show you. So I have something like the principle of oops, whichever I have done. So what I'm going to do is just insert the keep notepad there at the last page. So I go to the last page and then I go to tools, keep notepad, and I will be inserting my Google Keep J project here. So a note is added to your page. This is how I implement notes from the keep. Okay. The next one is finally keep notepad, that is also done. And final thing whatever is asked is uh, add header and the footer. So I have added a header as So I have added insert header, and then the header is added as you can see all the pages. I have added the header as Blue Jay and introduction. I've also added footer, insert in header and page number. I have also added the footer. So the footer is Soniya Babu, Presidency School, Nandini Layout, Bangalore. Last but not the least, I have to share my document to one of my friend. So I'm just giving sharing the options. So first, before sharing, let me just save the Google Docs. So what I'm going to do is earlier it was untitled, just click on that. Automatically I give a computer application objective, and then from there I click on the share button, and then I give the name of the person to whomever I wanted to share. So I'm just giving the share option there. So I'm just selecting the person to whom I wanted to share, and I also add some note to that share data. So I'm just giving the note as my computer objective, and then I click on send. The document is now shared. So that's all about my Google Doc project. Thank you, Viz Juniors.